Okay, can I get a video? That's Briley. Hey, Briley. Sharper. Hey, Briley. That's Rasta. And Porter. Let's get Briley. She's climbing all over Rasta. He's such a good boy. And then that's little bitty Kyle. Oh my goodness. There's Sharper. Hey, Porter. There's Briley again. I'll try to get him just playing. Guys, they're jumping all over me. Get off me, baby. Get off. Okay, they won't leave me alone so I can get him. There you go. Look at Porter going up the dog walk. There's Briley. There goes Briley running with. There's Briley. Hey, Briley Miley. Hey, Briley. That's Yoda, my little pack girl. That's little Kyle. There goes Briley. Now go to the fence and come on, Briley. Hey, Briley. Little flapping ears. Come see. Hey, guys. Come on, my baby. Hey. Hey, guys and gals. Hey, y'all be nice. Hey, Sharper. Hey, Porter. Porter. Knock it off. Get off of him. Knock it off. Y'all be sweet. Get off of him. Get off. You be sweet. You be sweet. There's Briley some more. Hey, Briley Miley. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, Sharp. And this little bitty Kyle. Hey, Briley. My little black pack. Porter! Hey! Quit being a boss. Hey, quit being bossy. Quit it. Did you hear me? That's enough. Stop it. Porter. You being bossy, you little rat. Hey, Briley. Quit. Hey, Rasta. Hey. Porter. Porter. You better knock it off. Now that's enough of that. Briley. Look. You better be nice. They're getting older and starting to feel their oats. Okay, there's Briley over there getting some water. Briley. You can see her full body. You can see, I don't know if you can tell her paws are kind of big. That is Porter by her right now. I love her pink collar. I love black and pink together. And she was the only black girl dog that we had. And hey, Sharpmeister. Hey, buddy. And that's Rasta and my little Yoda. Guys. The shepherd, that's my Ziva. The rest of my pack's in the house. I can't get you far away. They keep following me. There, look at Briley going up the dog walk. Good girl. That's a good Briley. That's a good girl. Yes. Going up the dog walk. Good girl. She's a sweet little girl. Hey guys. Briley, come on. Come here, Briley. Come on. Come on, Briley. Come on out. Come on out. Can you come up the dog walk? Come on. Come on. Come on, Briley. Come on. You can do it. Briley. Look at little Kyle. Hey, Kyle. Hey, bud. You're going to come up the dog walk, huh? Come on, Briley. Come on. Come on, Briley. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at who's that. Porter. Come on, Portmeister. Come on. Good boy. Now he's going back down. Hello, Kyle. Come on, Briley. Briley, come on. Come on. Where you at? Briley, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on up. There you go. Come on, Briley. go. Good girl. That's a good girl, Briley. There's Porter. And that's the littlest one, Kyle. You can see her going down. See, she loves to... Hey, be nice. Loves to play, play, play. She's got a little spunky personality. Hey, Briley. Porter, you're being a big bully today, bud. What's the deal? What's the deal, Lucille? Hey, little Kyle. Hey, Briley. Okay, guys. Ready to give it a rest?